Personal protection is one of the main reasons that people buy handguns. In fact, about 80%, if not more, of civilian shooters go to buy a handgun for personal defense and home defense. Only a few others buy them for competition use, hunting, and target shooting. It's a huge thing because of the gun and how it makes the owner feel. Owning a very good handgun makes you feel safe, secure, and confident. It prepares your mind for when danger lurks around. However, not every handgun is personal protection material. Some are just best left where you saw them, but the firearm market can be so complicated that you may be unable to differentiate the bad, manageable, good, and best handguns. So today, our interesting and informative video captures the 8 best handguns for personal protection 2024. We're sure you'd like to know the best handguns for personal protection in 2024, and that's why we've decided to put out this video. Just so you know, there's also an amazing fun fact about the firearm world you'd enjoy. Let's rock and roll. Finally, at the very top of our list, we have the Smith & Wesson M&P 10 M2.0, a pistol of very high esteem, a very powerful handgun designed to shoot bigger, faster, flatter, and further. Very important for self-defense. When it comes to self-defense and personal protection, this pistol has all it takes to handle just anything you throw at it. From its flat trigger that allows you to easily pull it when danger draws near or lurks around, to its long slide and barrel that ensures you hit your target with incredible precision and accuracy. There are a lot of testimonials about the Smith & Wesson M&P 10 M2.0, and a lot of them have been very good. So if you're looking for a handgun for personal protection and this pistol is within your budget, you can go for it. It's a great choice for personal protection. Talking about budget, this pistol is priced at around just $500 to $700. For the RunnerUp handgun, we have the king itself, the Colt King Cobra Carry, a true classic in the firearm world. And when we say that, we don't mean the usual deceptive, make good quality that you're used to. You know, the one that manufacturers parade around. We're talking about a revolver of the highest quality, outstanding amongst its kind. The Colt King Cobra Carry is the perfect size for personal protection because of its ease of concealment. You certainly won't go through any form of stress trying to get it to fit into your purse or clothing because of the way it was designed. And you know what? It's not just compact, it's also very rugged, so you can use it for a very long time without having to buy a new handgun. Plus, it offers an extremely reliable performance week in and week out. This revolver costs around $900 to purchase. If you talk about another pistol that didn't need any time to hit the ground running, then I point you straight to the CZP-10C. This pistol has been making waves in the firearm community since its inception. It happens to be one of the best striker pistols out there on the market, and it's a very good pistol for personal protection. Sometimes, in protecting yourself, certain seemingly small details like how the gun feels in the hand, how heavy or light it is, or even how great the trigger pull is really matter a lot. Although we often overlook these things, they're very important and can affect the outcomes of certain circumstances and even how we protect ourselves. This pistol has a crisp trigger, great ergonomics, and performance-driven features that'll make personal protection child's play. The CZP-10C even comes very cheap. With $400, you can buy and own this pistol. The Springfield Hellcat Pro is another incredible pistol, part of our list of the best handguns for personal protection in 2024. There's no need for too much talk on this handgun because it's one that we're very familiar with because of its popularity and wide accessibility in the firearm market, specifically in the concealed carry category, and you know what that means for personal protection, right? Having a pistol like this one at your disposal is priceless for your safety, a pistol that you can conceal yet still carry so much power. Speaking of power, this handgun has an impressive 15+1 magazine capacity, which is really incredible for a pistol this compact. And if you're looking for more, the Hellcat Pro features a versatile accessory rail that allows you to add a light, laser, or other accessories to customize your entire setup. For all these, you need to pay just around $600, which really isn't so expensive if you look at it from the perspective of value. Coming in as just the second revolver on our list of 8 handguns, the RAIA AL 9.0 doesn't play second fiddle to any handgun on this list, and rightly so. It's a unique revolver that combines the precision of traditional wheel guns with the popularity of the 9mm Luger cartridge. This 6-shot revolver boasts a steel frame, low recoil, and easy-to-use moon clips for fast reloading, all qualities that solidify its place among the best handguns for personal protection. Having a revolver that can reload without any hassle and very fast is an invaluable quality for a handgun meant for personal protection. If you're even worried about how durable this revolver is, I'll tell you that it's of Czech Republic origin, so you can be assured of a well-made, no-nonsense firearm built to last. If you're also on a budget, this is a very good option because it's affordable. The RAIA AL 9.0 costs just around $600, which is very affordable, I might add. We've been talking compact, but you've got to get used to it because most of the handguns on this list are compact pistols or revolvers because, hey, we're talking about personal protection here, and the 6-hour P365X macro is no exception to this rule. This is one incredible pistol that has taken the world by storm and leads the way for other handguns meant for personal protection to follow. Everywhere you look, you just can't put away the fact that this pistol is exceptional. Guess what? Despite the fact that this pistol has a compact size, it still manages to match the power and magazine capacity of a full-size pistol even better than some of them. Impressive. With a mag capacity of 7+1 rounds, you'll have enough ammunition for your personal protection needs. The 6-hour P365X macro costs around $900 to $1,000 to get off the shelf, depending on your location, specific retailer, or model. You certainly don't need much talk to know that the Charter Arms Pitbull is a truly unique revolver. Results speak for themselves, and oh boy, this revolver has many of them to show, with a lot of customer feedback to add to it all. This brilliant revolver is extremely lightweight and compact, making personal protection look like a plaything. You could even literally forget that you're carrying it, of course, until danger comes knocking. Everyone loves a gun that isn't a hassle to carry. That's one of the first things we look out for when choosing a handgun for personal protection, and this badass revolver ticks all those boxes. Its 5-shot cylinder ensures you have enough firepower to back up its compact and lightweight design. What a way to set the standard. The Charter Arms Pitbull 9mm costs just around $400 to $600. The very powerful Shadow Systems MR920 begins our list. A compact-sized, feature-packed pistol that's capable of giving you all you need to successfully protect yourself from any threat and attack. The fact that it's even compatible with Glock 19 holsters, magazines, and gears is a very big advantage for your personal use. Glock pistols are very powerful and widely used, so finding their gear and magazines would be a breeze because when it comes down to personal protection, you must be prepared for the worst. It would be a very sad game if danger catches you unprepared, and when you talk about power, this pistol has a large mag capacity of 15+1 rounds of ammunition, and that's a lot of power for personal protection. This premium pistol is priced in the region for $1,000. In Shadow Systems MR920, you find a simply powerful gun that makes personal protection less of a hassle. And there you have it, guys, our top picks for the best handguns of the year. Whether you're looking for a classic revolver or a cutting-edge semi-automatic pistol, there's something on this list for everyone. But most importantly, have fun. Shooting is a thrilling and rewarding hobby that can provide hours of entertainment and personal satisfaction. So get out there, try out some of these amazing handguns, and discover the joy of shooting for yourself. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.